Hey class, it's Mrs. Gilling back here again, and we're going to go over your video assignment for Unit 3, and we're going to be talking about your discussion in Lesson 11 about intelligence. But before we do that, I've got you a joke of the unit. It's my favorite part. Maybe it's your favorite part too. Anyways, here you go. A psychologist returned from a conference in Aspen Lodge, where all the psychologists were permitted to ski for free. Wouldn't that be cool? Ski for free? That'd be awesome, especially in Idaho. We got great skiing. Her husband asked her, "How did it go?" She replied, "Fine, but I've never seen so many Freudian slips." Get it? Because they're skiing and they're slipping and psychologists, so they may be Freudian slips. Oh man, that's a good one. If you don't understand that one, go ahead and look up Freud, and then you'll laugh pretty hard with me. But all right, that's the joke of the unit. Let's get into some information about your discussion prompt. So we're in the course a little bit. You've had a discussion before, and I just thought it might be good to go over this discussion prompt with you and some key things that you'll want to remember to do to make sure that you get full points on it. And so the discussion prompt for this coming up lesson is: prominent psychologists have proposed theories over the years to describe the nature of intelligence. These include Howard Gardner's theory of multiple intelligences, Daniel Goleman's theory of emotional intelligence, Robert Sternberg's triarchic theory of intelligence. Choose one of these theories to research further. Write a response describing how the theory you chose approaches the concept of intelligence. Write at least one paragraph where you answer the following questions. How does the theory you chose define intelligence? What makes this theory stand out from the others? Do you agree with the theory? Why or why not? So that's your prompt. Now let me kind of break this prompt down for you, because there's some different pieces to it that you want to pay attention to make sure you get everything that you need. First of all, you're going to pick just one of them to write about, but you're going to want to look into all of them just a little bit because of that second question that says what makes the theory stand out from the others. You won't know how your theory stands out from the others if you don't know much about the other theories. So take some time to kind of look at the other theories, see what they're about, so you can say what makes the theory you chose different. When you're looking at them, pick the one that seems most interesting to you, and then choose to write about it. So make sure that you're answering each of those questions. How does the theory you chose define intelligence? That's important. Like, I chose this person's theory, and it defines intelligence by blank. And then explain how it stands out, and then do you personally agree with the theory? So this is not, do other people believe in the theory? Does this psychiatrist or psychologist believe in the theory? It's you. Do you believe in the theory? And probably the very most important part of the prompt, the why or why not. Explain why you agree or disagree with that theory. Here's some things to remember with this discussion prompt and with all the discussion prompts that you do. So you need to make sure to answer all the questions in the prompt. If you only answer 2 of those 3 questions that are there, you won't get full points. If you don't answer the why or why not part, you won't get full points. So make sure that you're answering all of the questions in the prompt. Make sure that you write at least 3 sentences, okay? If you only have 2 sentences in there, you're going to lose points. If you only have 1, you're going to lose points. And I look for punctuation, right? So if you don't have 3 periods in there or a couple periods exclamation point in there, then you're not going to get your full point. So make sure you're looking through, okay, making sure that you wrote enough. And then a really important thing, you need to use your own words. And if you use a quotation from someone else, you really need to cite it. It's really easy for me to tell when you've gone to a website and you've copied and pasted it. I can easily tell that, and that's technically plagiarism, right? We can't take something from a website, copy it, paste it, and call it our own words. We have to take these prompts and put them in things that are our thoughts. If we're using other people's thoughts, that's not okay. So do your research. Look at the websites, find out information about each of these theories. It's really easy. Go to Google, type in the theory you're interested in, look at different pages, but then digest it for yourself and explain it as if you were explaining it to a friend. And if you're ever confused, like, am I plagiarizing or not? Give me the citation. Give me the link to the webpage so I can go know where you got your information. And definitely, if you're doing something word for word, you absolutely have to include that citation so I know where it came from. So that's just a quick video assignment for you. Just wanted to give you some heads up on this discussion prompt. But if you have any questions at all, definitely reach out to me. But now I'd really appreciate if you took some time and completed your video assignment. Thanks, guys. We'll talk to you next time.